Hi everyone, I'm Daryl Chan and welcome po dito sa introduction ng Bible Study or Understanding Made Easy. And pinaka-purpose nito is to understand the Bible in 3 minutes. And of course, lahat tayo na-encounter na natin to. If not, try to attend the Bible study wherein kung na-invite kayo, tapos tinanong kayo kung ano ang pagka-understand mo dito sa verse na to, hindi natin alam kung paano i-explain. And na-encounter ko yan sa Bible study, no? And I don't understand. Pagkatapos nung study, parang nakalimutan mo na lahat. Hindi mo na maalala kung anong natutunan mo dyan sa Bible session na yun. So, kung na-experience mo na yan, tamang-tama po itong video na to para sa iyo dahil very in-depth to, pero at the same time, sobrang minimal ng time lang ang mawawala sa'yo. Okay? And sulit na sulit. Of course, hindi ito another denomination or that contradicts any church or any religion or any tradition. Hindi po. Ang pinaka-purpose and goal lang nito is to help you understand the Bible easily. And of course, we know na it will come from God, na i-open niya yung mind mo and open your eyes to see, and to understand. So, of course, without any prayer, mahirap din po yan. So, kailangan we pray to God na ibigay sa atin yung wisdom na yun. So, on our next video, there I will begin to discuss how to easily understand the Bible in 3 minutes. So, hindi po yan matagal. I hope you will enjoy and share kung paano mo na-understand. And like what I'm doing right now, dahil nagsimula rin po ako dyan, and as I go deeper in the Bible, gusto ko naman i-share sa inyo kung paano. And para mapabilis din ang pag-understand nyo. So, welcome and I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you.